Welcome back to our cooking show. Today, we're in the kitchen with the 7th grade multimedia students as they work together to create a delicious meal. As you can see, they're divided into groups and each member has a specific task. This is a great way to learn about teamwork, cooperation, and the importance of following instructions. From chopping vegetables to seasoning the meat, every step is crucial. Let's see how they do. Mixing is a science. They're making sure to combine all the ingredients evenly. And look at that, a beautiful plate of food, all prepared by these talented young chefs. After hours of hard work in the kitchen, it's finally time for the 7th grade multimedia students to showcase their culinary creations. With beaming smiles and a sense of accomplishment, each group will present their special dish to their English teacher, Sir Lutfi. Let's see what they've cooked up.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This here, it's called minyamak. And the ingredients, it's like onion, garlic, pepper, soy sauce, ketchup, egg, and something else. For the step to make this, you need to chop some onion or garlic and pepper, and then you fry them until it smells fragrant, and then you put some water and put some noodles and then put some other toppings like sausage or like egg or like vegetables or something else. My teammate make this horrible and it's disgusting. I hate it. Yeah, that's it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How to make? First of all, clean the squid until it is clean. Remove the squid ink. Boil the squid in hot water and add rimless so that it don't smell fishy and tough. To make the chili sauce, blender or green the Charlie red chilies, 3 cloves of red onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 canned tomato, and canned pepper assorting.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is our cooking. Sebelah nyemak. The material is 1 sheet crepes, 2 macaroni, 3 chicken dumplings, 4 cheese dumplings, 5 enoki mushrooms, 6 garlic, 7 onion red, egg sauce, 9 egg, 10 noodles, 11 aromatic ginger.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Domel, mie nyemak, dan mie crispy. Material, mie, water, egg, vegetable, flour, seasoning, wood to bake. Put in starch water, boil tomatoes, to add the eggs. Boil them together and wait for the
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Now I want to presentation about this food. This is tempe orek pedas manis. Maybe you want to know the materials and how to make this. So don't be long time. We start. First, we must have 1 3,000 gram tempe cut into 2 cm cubes, fried until half cooked. 2 3 cloves garlic, finely sliced. 3 TBSP bangol sweet and soy sauce. 4 2 bay leaves. 5 2 cm galangal. 6. 2 TSP Royco and chicken broth. 7. 1/2 TSP salt. 8. 200 ml water. 9. 3 TBSP oil for sauteing. 10. 4 servings. And how to make this? First, heat the oil, saute the garlic, galangal, and bay leaf until fragrant. 2. Add tempe, royco, chicken broth, bango spicy, sweet soy sauce, and water, and mix well. 4. Cook until the spices are absorbed and the water dries. And the last time, live and serve. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This sebelah material saus, enoki, cheese dumpling, cikua, oyster, crabs, shrimp, malt. Steps: crush garlic, onion, red chili, and some oil. Fry them well. Put salt, sugar, and mix it well. Pour 1 liter water. Seasoning, chili sauce, and barbecue. Mix in, get light, then put the topping. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.